Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Judgment. So Sagittarius, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. First of all, we'll discuss about your current energy and then we'll see what's your partner's current energy. So we have Page of Cups. Somebody new is arriving in your life. Somebody new is coming in your life, Aries. What's happening with me? This reading is for Sagittarius. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, so Sagittarius people, I feel that for some of you, somebody new is arriving for you. Okay, in terms of emotions, in terms of love. Okay, and this person is having so many emotions for you. Okay, so a new beginning. Okay, some new proposal is coming into your life with this Page of Cups. For most of you, this new person has already arrived in your life. Okay, this person can be your friend, this person can be your colleague, this person can be your neighbor, this person can be anybody. Okay, but you also don't know their intention, and I feel that they also even don't know their intention. Okay, what they are going to offer you in future. Okay, perhaps you guys are colleagues right now, perhaps you guys are neighbors right now, perhaps you guys are normal friends right now. Okay, but you never know, eventually they'll develop some feelings towards you. Okay, or maybe they are in this process, maybe they must have developed some feelings for you. Okay, so whatever it is, they are definitely going to offer you something which is going to be very emotional. Okay, which is going to be which is going to give you emotional peace. Okay, mental peace. Okay, now this person's current energy is Judgment. Lot of introspection is going on within them. Okay, I feel it's your person only. Okay, maybe you guys know each other from a quite long time. Now they are introspecting their own thoughts, that why they feel inclined towards you, why they feel attracted towards you, why they feel good about you, why they feel this emotion for you or that emotion for you. Maybe if they haven't done this introspection thing, I feel that they are going through some kind of introspection thing. Some introspection work is going on within their heart and mind. They are not telling you. Okay, and I feel that it's them who is coming towards you to offer this Page of Cups. So some introspection is going on at their end. Okay, they must be observing their own behavior. Why am I behaving like this? Okay, whenever I meet my Sagittarius people, why do I behave in that manner? Why do I talk in that manner? Okay, so they must be doing some observation thing for them. Okay, now let's see how you feel them or see them and how they see you. How they see you and how you see them. The Fool. And how they see you. How they see you. Oh, why this Eight of Swords is here? Why this Eight of Swords is here? Why this Eight of Swords is here? Oh my god. Okay, so Sagittarius people, with this Fool card, you feel about your person as somebody who is very naive, very immature, very immature, as in, I mean, immature in a good sense, okay, not in a bad term or a bad way, okay. You feel this person wants to take a leap of faith in this relationship. This person really want to start something new in this relationship, okay. Fool card is always a beginning card, so they really want to start something new with you in this relationship, Sagittarius, okay. And they do not want to think about anything right now, okay. That's how you see them, okay. They don't want to talk about any negative topic or negative issue, okay. They don't want to talk about their ex relationships or your ex relationships, if they were any, okay. So they don't want to talk about anything, they don't want to think about anything, they don't want to imagine about anything. All they want is you. They just want to start something new with in this relationship. That's how you see them. The moment you will say yes to them, they will immediately come and offer you something. That's how they are, showing. That's your current energy, okay. So the Fool card is telling me that this person has some feelings for you, but the moment you will give them a green signal, they will definitely come forward and talk to you about their feelings, okay. They'll open their heart in front of you, that, see, I really like you from a very long time, but I couldn't say that, okay, I have a fear or something like that. So with this Fool card, they are believing in you, they are believing in the right timing, they are believing that this is going to be the most beautiful relationship for them, okay. So that's how you see them, okay. On the other hand, your person feels about you Eight of Swords and Four of Wands, okay. Your person feels about you that with this Four of Wands, they feel that you are their manifestation, okay. They must be manifesting about, not specifically you, but a person like you in their life. So they feel that you are their manifesting, okay, result. You are the result of their manifestation. You are the result of, you are the person with whom they would like to spend their life, okay. They feel that they really want to have some big celebration with you. It could be celebration in terms of marriage, or engagement or something like that. So some big celebration they are manifesting with you. And with this Eight of Swords card, your person feels about you that there is something which is bothering you, okay, within your heart and mind. Something is there which you have not told them right so far or till now. So something is there which you really want to tell them, but you are not telling them, okay. So whatever that thing is, they are accepting you with that thing, okay. The bottom line is that they want you with all your good and bad phases, okay. They want you, all your insecurities, all your negative emotions, okay. They just want to, they are being very acceptable towards you, okay. They just want you the way you are, okay. They do not want you to become more nicer or more sexier or more they don't want you to change at any cost, okay. They want you and they accept you and they adore you and they love you and they manifest you the way you are, okay. Be it, if, no matter how insecure you feel, okay, no matter how many good and bad phases you must have seen in your life, so they are accepting you, and they want to accept you with all those phases, okay. Be it good, bad, ugly, okay. They don't care about it, okay. Now let's see how you feel about this relationship, okay, and how they feel about this relationship. So we have Justice card. Sagittarius people, I feel that with this in terms of this relationship, you feel this relationship is going to give you um, the right justice which you always wanted from your past relationships. Okay, you are feeling right now, or you would feel, or you must be feeling that it's okay, this person is really nice for me. I never, they don't let me beg in front of them for their attention, for their call, for their, text messages. So you feel that there is a sense of justice, you feel a sense of justice from them. Okay, they are being very mhm. They don't let you wait for them. Okay, they don't let you, they have never kept you on hold for anything. Okay, that's how you see them. So now you are feeling that it's okay, now I'm getting justice, now I'm getting what I deserve in life, now I'm getting what I deserve in love, or in this, or in relationship. So you feel this relationship as a complete justice for you, to from the God side. Okay, and your person is seeing you as this Seven of Pentacles. So this person is seeing you as somebody that, I mean, they are seeing you as a trophy, or as a very precious thing. Okay, they must be seeing all their good karmas. Okay, they are seeing you as the result of their good karmas. They are seeing you as their blessing. They are seeing you as I mean, they are seeing this relationship as a blessing for them. Okay, they feel that they must have done some good deeds in past, so that's why God has, blessed them with this relationship. Okay, so they see you, and they see this relationship as a blessing for them. Now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? Temperance. This is going to be a divine connection, Sagittarius people. With this Temperance card, I'm feeling that in future, both of you are going to bring balance into each other's life. Both of you are going to be each other's healer. Both of you are going to work towards each other mental peace. Okay, a lot of emotions will be there in this love in future. Okay, a lot of peace will be there in future. Okay, both of you have so much of love and emotion towards each other, so much respect towards each other. Okay, and I feel that both of you are will be eagerly waiting for the new day in the terms of new beginning in your relationship. Okay, maybe you guys are going to propose each other. Okay, for marriage thing. So something is going to happen for you in future. Okay, lot of peace, lot of balance, lot of abundance, lot of mental peace is coming into your life, Sagittarius people. Okay, so I feel Sagittarius, some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Page of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Okay, we have Sagittarius in this reading with this Temperance card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles card. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.